Hello, this is my six packs in Otakuthon 2015. Take 3. So, I got 6 packs for myself, and they decided not to. Decided to cause me a little bit of trouble. Alright, let's put this. Not a pro here. Just kidding. I'm not gonna name him. I'm too bored to name him, honestly. Ooh. I see a nice card.
Oh, I see a nice card.
I see a nice card.
It's peeking. Oh, damn. First.
Oh my god.
What? Cassie.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
This
Are you serious?
this might be a really good find.
Holy.
I should go downstairs and ask how much this is, honestly.
He just pulled that right now. You guys saw it right here.
First pack.
Oh my god.
First pack. Imagine if we can keep this up. This is a good
I swear
start.
your luck is the best luck in the world.
This is a good start. This is good. This is really good.
Oh gosh.
All right.
Wow.
All right. 1, 2,
Oh,
3.
man,
1, 2.
Latios.
Latios. All right. See, it helps not to name them because it gives you more luck. Now I know I'm throwing a lot of in the air, but Zapdos.
Zapdos pretty good.
Zapdos is good. Zapdos is decent, I'd say. But this,
Wow.
they might actually offer me a good price for this one. I'm not actually even sure. I've forgotten how to open packs properly, like seriously. Oh my god. As you guys say. Oh my god. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 2. I suck at this. I've forgotten how to do it properly. I want to peek. I really want to peek, but
I know, right?
I know. That's why I'm speeding up. Oh, Dragonite!
What?
Reverse Dragonite. That's a good one.
A different
what?
one.
I'm gonna get all of them now? Like seriously? I'm gonna put the Dragonite. Like this is the third pack, and I'm already got.
Second pack.
No, third pack. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Yeah, third pack, and I've gotten 2. So 2 out of 3 is not bad. If you can get your money back just out of like 2 packs, like it's amazing. Oh.
Don't worry, no one saw it.
I'm scared. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Imagine if I forget.
No.
Don't forget, please. Yeah. Beautiful.
Oh,
Not bad.
hollow. Not bad.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
Hollows look cool.
That's not bad. Hopefully I can get some money out of that. Whenever I don't want it, I just don't even bother. I'm gonna collect nice looking cards like this one. This is a card worth collecting.
It is. It's so nice.
It is a
looks
card worth
beautiful.
1, 2, 3, 2. Dragonite doesn't look that bad, but I'd prefer this one over Dragonite any day. No, nothing.
I mean, you already got 2 amazing things. It's
Like,
kind of hard to top.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of hard. Like last pack, like if this can top this, I'm literally I'm gonna start jumping around like a crazy person. I'm already half crazy. I'm gonna become fully crazy. There, I finally opened the pack properly. Yay! All right, 1, 2, 3, 2. Come on, give me something. I feel it. I feel it, and then it's nothing. I feel it. Come on,
You're feeling it
Pikachu.
now?
Feel nothing. That's
That's okay.
that's what I feel.
Let's give everyone a better look at the two rare ones again. Wow.
It honestly is a good find. I think I even passed you guys out of a
Yeah.
find. Like seriously.
I would expect nothing less from your luck. You're the luckiest person ever. Final words?
Well, thank you for watching. I'm sorry I look all stupid.
No, you look beautiful.
And like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.